Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandi Rose if you did not know. And I miss you guys. We haven't done a sit down makeup tutorial in a while. So today I'm doing this sultry purple style. I really don't have a name for it. I was gonna go for a latte makeup look, but I got so inspired by the Myrick liquid pigment and the color chocolate, which we'll be using today. And yeah, it's giving this smoky but fun fall makeup look. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Let's get started. So I don't prime often, but since we're started in the middle of the day and I've already done my skincare routine earlier this morning, I'm gonna go in with the baby skin and put that all over my face, including my eyelid. Now I am a girl who likes to do my eye makeup before I do my base. So today we're going to be trying a new product and I'm super excited that inspired this look today. This is the Myrick Color Fix Matte Waterproof Liquid Pigment in the color chocolate. Very excited to try this. I just don't know if I should use a pigment or a base for this. So I think I'm gonna just try it without it. So what I'm gonna do is just take it and just put a little bit on my hand like so I can work with it, because this is very new. I don't really use a lot of liquid pigments. So I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush. I feel like that is gonna be the safest bet when it comes to something as pigmented as this is. So beautiful. You don't need a lot. As much as I put on my hand, I did not need that much. Wow, this is very pigmented. I'm gonna go in with another brush to see if I can mute it a bit. So this comes off as more of a burgundy, like reddish brown color. So I'm definitely gonna have to change up my look. I was expecting this to be very brown. So my other eye, I'm gonna try it a little bit different just to see if maybe I'm just using it too harshly. I have to apply it very lightly. And I did see online other people would apply it a certain way to get a certain look, but a color is the color, you know? We're just gonna go with it and make this our fall makeup look, and we're gonna do a latte makeup look another day. But this is very beautiful. I do like this. What do y'all think? Comment below if you've tried one of the Myrick matte liquid pigments before. I want to get you guys' opinions, or what do you mainly use it for? You know, I do like it. I just was expecting chocolate to be brown, but it's okay. This is a nice look. I did test it in the store, and you know what, that was my fault, because why I tested in the store and it already gives this kind of red tint on my hand, as you can see. That should have been my giveaway there, that wasn't the color I was looking for. But again, we're gonna make this work. I'm gonna just go ahead and carve out my eye so we can do a very, very slight cut crease. And this is the MAC paint pot in the color Laying Low. I'm going in with a clean brush to just pat that in and make sure it's dry and not creasing. And then I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario Master Metallics palette, and I'm gonna go in with this purple color right here. I think that would work perfect with this Myrick liquid. I'm just gonna pat it in like so. Go in with a better brush than that one. Let's see. Here we go. And it's okay to bring it out past the line that you created. That helps you blend it into the base color a lot better. I'm gonna do the same on my other eye. And if you want to make this a little more dramatic, what I did on this eye is just tap the excess that I have on my hand and just fluff it up, giving it more of a smoky makeup look, giving it more of a smoky eye. And if you feel like it's getting out of control, grab another clean brush and just blend it out. Next, I'm going in with the Black Track Prolonged Wear Fluid Line, and I'm just using an angled brush and making a wing liner, like a slight cat eye. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we are gonna smoke this out. Going back in with the Makeup by Mario palette, but this time we're using the Master Mattes in the color black. So I'm just gonna use a concealer pencil get a little bit of that black and just dust it on here. Just kind of follow the lines that I already created, and you can see the difference. It makes it a lot darker. This part is bleeding through a little bit, but that's fine. I can clean that up. It just makes it a little more dramatic. And then I'm going in. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Perversion. Now I must say my eyeshadow has never looked better. The blendability of this liquid eyeshadow is absolutely beautiful. Application is beautiful. It's stunning. It just melts into my skin. And eyelids are pretty complicated sometimes when it comes to these multiple shadows, building up a makeup look, and this just blends so beautifully. Kudos to you, Mr. Nessa Myrick. For the lashes I'm wearing today, these are the Kiss Bare Affair. To complete this look, I'm gonna go back in with that liquid eyeshadow and just tap it on this cute brush here and just shape my lips. So I'm gonna go in. To darken it up, I'm going to go in with the Essence Gel Eyeliner in the color, but first Espresso. And to give it that ombre effect, I'm going to go in with the MAC Burnt Spice, just in the middle. Just to give it a more. You can always just go back in and reshape it there.